every step is a struggle, the story to be told. The purpose of life I seek to understand. All the hardship, challenge to withstand. Ancient philosophers, they will still go, teaching us so much, from Socrates to Plato. Stoics and Epicureans guiding us through night. Across the ages, the riders are taking flight. Contemplate the mysteries of existence. Seek out the meaning, stay sharp, persistent. Watching, find grace and clarity. Philosophy is welcome with sincerity. Life for life, mystery to unfold. Watching others and the burden so hold. Try and try.